everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today, we have to study again how to find the area of a trapezoid. And finding the area of a trapezoid, always remember that we have to know the formula. Because the formula is our guide to compute the problem. Okay, the given problem now is we have the lower base, 20 centimeter. The lower base is equivalent to base 1. And the other one is upper base. We have the 15 centimeter. It's also equivalent to base 2. Height 10 centimeter. And find the area. Okay. Our solution is we have to use the formula of a trapezoid area equals base sub 1 plus base sub 2 times the height divided by 2, or sometimes it is 1/2. This will be equivalent to 1/2, but I'm using divided by 2 for a shortcut way. Okay, now we have to substitute from the given. The lower base is 20. It is equivalent to base sub 1 plus base sub 2, which is the upper base, equivalent to 15. Then close parenthesis times the height, which is 10, then divided by 2. Then the first thing we do is to add 20 plus 15 equals 35, then times 10, so we have 350. Then copy 2, so that's why 350 divided by 2. Then if we're going to divide 350 divided by 2, so we have the result of 175. So therefore, the area of a trapezoid now is 175 squared centimeter. Okay, our next problem. Number 2, the bases of a trapezoid are 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter. If the height is 8 centimeter, what is each area? Okay, since asking for the area of a trapezoid, so we have to remember the formula. So the area equals to base sub 1 plus base sub 2 times the height over 2. Then we have to substitute. For the base of 1, we have 12 centimeter, and we have the base of 2, we have 16. Then the height is 8, so times 8. So how to compute? We have to add 12 plus 16, then times 8 divided by 2. So 12 times 16 equals 28 times 8 divided by 2. So 28 times 8 equals 224, then divided by 2. So 24 divided by 2, we have 112. So therefore, the area now of the trapezoid is 112 squared centimeter. Okay. Okay, we have to solve again the other example. This is number 3. The area of a trapezoid is 51 square meter. The lower base is 10 meter and upper base is 7 meters. What is the height of a trapezoid? In this problem, asking for the height of a trapezoid. To solve this, we have to use again the formula of the trapezoid. First, we're going to write area equals base of 1 plus base of 2 times height over 2. The next thing we do is to substitute for the value base of 1 given is 10 meters, and the other one, the base of sub 2 is 7 meters. Then times the height. Since height is not given, just we have to write only the letter H. It stands for the height over 2. Then Since we have to combine the 10 plus 7 equals 17, then times the height, so our answer is 17h. Then the denominator 2, we have to multiply it to the area, which is 51. So 51 times 2, we have 102. Then the next thing we do is to eliminate 17 in order to have the height. So we're going to divide it both sides by 17. That's why 102 divided by 17 equals 6, and 17 divided by 17 equals 1 times h equals height. So height is equals to 6 meter is our final answer for the height.